We've all heard the buzz about generative AI, but let's get past the hype. AI isn't just for making funny pictures of cats in space. It's a creative and collaborative partner that can actually take the busy work out of your workday. Welcome back to BRAI, where we simplify the complex to help you work smarter. Today, we're breaking down the AI toolkit for the modern workplace, from writing and coding to design. And more importantly, how to actually build these tools into your daily routine so you can get more done faster. First up, the heavy hitters. Text-based AI tools are built on large language models, LLMs. Think of them as assistants who have read almost everything ever written. What they do, they summarize, translate, predict, and generate human-like text with an incredible grasp of tone and intent. The tools, the big names, Gemini, ChatGPT, and Anthropic Claude. These are your thinking partners for brainstorming or drafting complex reports. Specialized pros, tools like Grammarly and Jasper are great for refining your voice, while Notebook LM is a game changer for analyzing research papers. Workplace staples, Microsoft Copilot and Notion AI live right inside the apps you're already using. Pro tip from BRAI, don't just ask it to write an email. Ask it to write a brief professional follow-up to a client who hasn't replied to a proposal in 3 days. Context is everything. For the developers out there, we're talking about AI pair programmers. These tools are trained on billions of lines of public code. The tools? Gemini Code Assist, GitHub Copilot, and Tab9. The impact? They don't just autofill. They can generate entire functions from a description, find bugs that have been haunting you for hours, and even explain complex code blocks written by someone else. It's like having a senior dev sitting next to you 24/7, minus the judgmental size. Need a photorealistic image for a slide deck or a quick video clip for a social post? This is where diffusion models come in. The tools. For design, Adobe Firefly and Canva Magic Design are perfect for marketing pros. For hide art, Midjourney and DALL-E lead the pack. The new frontier, Runway for video and 11 Labs for incredibly realistic audio and voiceovers. Integrated power, Gemini with Nano Banana is now bringing these capabilities directly into your Google Workspace. Here at BRAI, we believe a tool is only useful if it becomes second nature. Here is your 4-step battle plan to stop playing with AI and start working with it. Identify bottlenecks. What is the most annoying part of your day? Is it summarizing meeting notes? Hunting for bugs? Start there. Start small. Pick one tool for one task. Don't try to overhaul your whole life in an afternoon. Build a habit. Make it a reflex. Before you start typing that first draft, open your AI tool first. Evaluate. After 2 weeks, ask, am I faster? Is the quality better? If yes, expand to the next task. The goal isn't to become an expert in every single app. They change too fast for that anyway. The goal is to develop a mindset of curiosity. Whether it's using Zapier to automate your emails or Asset Studio for your next presentation, these tools are here to augment your skills, not replace them. So which bottleneck are you going to tackle first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BRAI for more ways to work smarter and stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one.